How to add page to Squarespace. To do that, first head over to your actual Squarespace website, click on the website option, and click on Pages. Once you're in there, you can input right here that we have this main navigation. We also have in here this not link section. If you want to add a page on your navigation just like this, click onto this plus icon right here and choose right here what kind of page you want. You can insert a blank page or you can also choose from templates or collections such as blog, store, portfolio, events, video, scores, member sites, and the likes. In my case, let's head over and choose right here events. After that, the page will be added, but you first need to choose right here the template. I'll choose this one. Then after that, the page will be added. You just need to rename it. And here we will have it ready right there. You can now see your events right here. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.